Hi, in this video we are going to see permanent assistant professor and the non-teaching vacancies notification from one of the state government university, and here the pay scales are also mentioned for the professor academic level 14 and associate professor 13A and assistant professor 10. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation, and I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got any recruitment notification based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video immediately. And to get all my videos as a notifications to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Well, coming to the present content of the video, so the state university name is Bankura University, and here in its official website itself is a recruitment advertisement for the post of teachers, librarians and NTS, non-teaching staff, etc. Okay, so it is mentioned here. So if you click on this one, and then you will be directed to this in detail notification. So what is the procedure to apply and how many vacancies, what are the departments, what is the pay scales, what are the different non-teaching staff vacancies are there, and what are the qualifications, all these things you will come to know. And in brief I will tell you in this video, and the link also I will kept in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, you may once visit the official website of this college. So coming to the official notice regarding this recruitment notification, first they kept the application fee. So 1500 rupees general category, 1200 rupees OBC A or B, and 1000 rupees SC ST for the academic level 14, that is professor category, and 1400 rupees, 1100 rupees, 900 rupees for the academic level 13A, that is associate professor category, and 1000 rupees, 900 and 750 rupees for academic level 10, that is the assistant professor category. And coming to the librarians and a few other non-teaching staff vacancies, here the application fees are also mentioned here, and the university estate caretaker vacancy is also there. So here the 500 rupees is the application fee. Okay, so downloaded form shall accompany with crossed DD banker's check drawn in favor of Bankura University payable at Bankura of requisite price for the following post. And applicants must have the minimum qualification and experience as per the relevant latest recruitment guidelines of the UGC and the latest memorandum of government of West Bengal for the teachers in the state aided universities, and completed application in the prescribed form along with the photocopies of 2 sets of all credentials must reach the office of the registrar by 5 October 2021 within the office hours. Okay, and if you guys are shortlisted for the interview, then the TADA will not at all provide it. It should be noted that the possession of minimum eligibility shall not confer any right to be called for the interview. Fine. So the pay scales, as I already mentioned in the thumbnails, and let's see the subjects. Bengali associate professor vacancy is there, chemistry associate professor vacancy, and education professor associate professor. And while coming to the history professor and assistant professor vacancy is there for the SC category, that is only one vacancy is there. And coming to the law, associate professor OBC, one vacancy, and assistant professor ST category, one vacancy. And coming to the mathematics, assistant professor SC1 and OBC A, one vacancy, and physics associate professor. And coming to the philosophy, professor associate and assistant professor under the unreserved category, one vacancy is there. And coming to the political science, professor unreserved category, one vacancy, and associate professor is there. And coming to the social work, professor associate professor vacancies are there. And in Sanskrit also professor and associate professor, and in Santali also professor and associate professor vacancies are there. And coming to the librarian vacancy, that means whatever the vacancies we saw up to now, all those are the academic teaching vacancies. And coming to the non-teaching side, the librarian rationalized pay is 1,44,200 rupees per month, and one post is there under the unreserved category. And minimum eligibility criteria: master's degree in the library science or information science, documentation with at least 55% of marks, and at least 13 years of experience as a deputy librarian or 18 years of experience as a college librarian, and evidence of innovative library service and organization of published work. And the desirable PhD or MPhil degree is a desirable one, not the mandatory. And the next, coming to the section C, secretary to vice chancellor is required. So entry pay is 37,100, level 9 category, and under the unreserved category 1 vacancy is there. So educational qualifications, sir, must have a graduate degree, any graduate degree from the recognized university, and must be proficient in English with at least 10 years of experience as a personal assistant in a government or quasi-government or similar organizations, and should have adequate skills in the computer operations. Fine. Age as per the government rules. And coming to the next one, junior technical assistant or technical assistant grade 2. So here the rationalized entry pay is 35,800 rupees per month, and under the unreserved category 1 vacancy is there. So coming to the essential qualification and experience, the candidate must have the degree in the science or the professional degree with technical knowledge and with a degree or diploma in the computer application, and at least 3 years of experience in an academic institute as a library assistant. Okay, sorry, laboratory assistant, and age as per the government rules. The junior assistant, rationalized entry pay is 27,500 rupees per month, and total 5 vacancies are there under the unreserved category 1, PWD. So normal unreserved category 2 vacancies, SC1 and OBC A1. Essential qualifications: higher education 10+2 with a diploma or certificate course in the computer of at least 6 months duration, age as per the government rules. And the final one is a section D, that is a university estate caretaker. Consolidated pay you will get, there is no pay scale here. So consolidated pay is 30,000 rupees per month. Graduate in any branch, at least 3 years of experience must be there, and age not below 30 years. That means age must be greater than the 30 years. Fine. And a relaxation of 5% is provided. That means age relaxations are as per the government of India norms. Okay. So university caretaker should have to reside in the university campus itself. It is mandatory or compulsory. Fine. So candidates are requested to superscribe the words application for the post of which one, dash, which subject. Okay, all these things has to be mentioned as the case may be on the top of the envelope. Fine. So these are all the points, and here the prescribed application form they told, right? So here the application form is also there. So take the printout of this one, fill up, attach the necessary documents, and superscribe on the envelope of the cover as per they told, and post them. Okay, post this one. Fine. So these are all the things that you need to do for the application of this Bankura State University. Fine. So if your subjects are not covered here, please don't worry. Please mention your subjects in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment regarding your subject, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi. Myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,